Most construction equipment drills round holes because it's easier. Square holes require massive amounts of torque and precision engineering. The machines that drill square foundations for skyscrapers cost up to $420,000 and can bore 30 meters deep through solid rock. These systems generate enough force to lift 50 cars while maintaining perfect 90-degree angles. The engineering behind drilling square holes is completely different from anything you've seen before. These machines use automatic vertical alignment sensors and GPS-guided positioning to drill perfectly straight square shafts. The drill bits are made from reinforced alloy steel with replaceable carbide teeth that can cut through the hardest rocks. They're mounted on crawler bases for mobility and use telescopic drill booms with Kelly bars for deep penetration. These machines are essential for subway construction, offshore wind platform anchoring, and dam stabilization projects. Chinese manufacturers like SANY and XCMG produce models starting at $210,000, while German and Italian systems cost up to $420,000 for premium precision. While most people see finished buildings, the square foundations beneath them represent some of the most advanced drilling technology ever developed. Every skyscraper in an earthquake zone likely sits on square piles drilled by these engineering marvels. Did you learn something new today?